I'm excited to share with you a simple way to get a lot of protein on a night that maybe you want to order out. So I'm going to start with my daily core nutrition for 7 grams of protein. And then I'm just going to have a small little snack because we're going to be ordering out. So I've got some of these Crispbreads. This is 4 grams of protein, a slice of Colby Jack. That's 5 grams, and then 4 ounces of Castlewood oven baked turkey from Aldi's. Okay, that's 22 grams. So all in all, that's my little snack that I'm opening my window with. Next, we are gonna order out tonight from Chipotle, and I'm gonna get their lifestyle protein bowl. It's got 81 grams of protein. Now, I will post in the description what all goes into that bowl, but 81 grams of protein. So all together, I will get 119 grams of protein today. That's pretty simple and easy.